Why buy a new wardrobe when you can just buy someone else's? What's up guys, it's Amber. Welcome back to my channel and welcome to an unreasonable amount of boxes. And these are just the ones that came in the last hour. This week I went online thrift shopping and accidentally thrifted an entirely new wardrobe. Everything in this haul is used. Poshmark, eBay, The RealReal, wherever I got it from, someone else had it before me. Y'all know I love recycling. All right, so I know this is supposed to be a clothing haul, but it wouldn't be me if we didn't start it out with shoes. So, are you ready? Look at these. Oh my god, you guys. Oh, spectacular. These came basically brand new in the box, but these are Christian Dior J'adore pumps. I got these on The RealReal for $300, which is insane because everywhere else they are like $2,000. And on, look at that. Ooh, very, very fabulous. Like, I actually can't believe someone didn't want these. Thank you, whoever you are. Oh, I know what this is. A piece of weird rubber. No, I'm kidding. But kind of, not really. I don't know if you've heard of this, but this is actually a really famous brand called Poster Girl. This is actually the exact dress that Kylie was wearing, which you can see is $1,062. I paid $85 on Poshmark. Cute little heart detail there, but oh, this is gonna be so hot on. I'm out of breath. You guys don't understand. A live stream of me trying to put this on just now would have been A, 30 minutes and B, so funny. I would have made a fortune on OnlyFans. But anyways, I literally feel like a condom. Can I say that on here? I don't know. But this, guys, is truly a latex dress. Like, this is literally, but oh my God, is this a hot dress? Wow, wow. Oh, wow. Dun, 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 dun. Let's see. Oh, I know what this is. I'm so excited for this. Ta-da! This is a gorgeous Dolce & Gabbana lace dress. Do you see the lace like corsety details? Honestly, a little bit easier for you guys to see the dress here. Should we try it on? Woo! All right, this is so cute, but oh my God, is it short? So I just hot glued some lace to the bottom. As you saw, I wore this in my Hampton shopping spree and it came out fabulous. Y'all know I love a DIY. Ta-da! More shoes! Most of the time when you buy used shoes, they don't come new in the box, but I really lucked out with a lot of the ones that I just bought. Let's see which ones these are. Oh my God. You don't understand how long I've wanted these. Oh, ho, ho, ho. These are insanely hot Louboutin. I have always called them the Louboutin lingerie heels because that's what they look like. Do you see how they have like the lace on them and then literally like the sexy straps? Oh my God. I actually got these on eBay. Look at this. Basically brand new, great condition. They just have a little bit of wear on the bottom, but I don't care about that because I'm gonna wear them. Oh my God, like look at how sexy these are. Woo! They literally look like lingerie, but for your feet. God, this is like my dream, actually. My two favorite things, lingerie and shoes. Do you see who makes this? Ta-da! Corporate woman business jacket suit. La Perla back in like 2017, 2018 did basically a campaign of business wear. Like, hello, a lingerie brand making a suit? Now that's the kind of office attire I'm talking about. Mind you, this actually came as pants, but I made it into a skirt. I would have slayed corporate America. And by slayed, I mean gotten fired immediately. Are you here to eat the box? Ta-da! Oh, exciting! Let's see, what's in here? Oh, this is a little corset and skirt set. This is from a brand on Revolve, Sans Faf. Like, this is so nice. A little Polly Pocket outfit. I love things that are nude because, quite frankly, as much as I like to buy clothes and shoes, I'd really just rather be naked, but a really nice little corset top and then the skirt matching it perfectly. Oh, guys, I've had this belt since my safari. Look at this. That is basically the exact same color. So now it's Miu Miu. Sneaky. It's honestly one of my favorite shopping hacks. Buy unbranded clothes and accessorize with one branded thing. And look at that. The whole thing's designer. All right, here we go. A little bit more from the Real Real. So this is actually clothes, I think. I don't know. Actually, we'll find out. Oh, oh my God, you guys, this is gorgeous. It's like a nude bodysuit from a brand called Alex Perry. Actually brand new with tags from the Real Real. Hello? Is this a practical outfit? No. Am I obsessed with it? Yes. What can I say? I've never really been the queen of practical clothing. This box is so big, I don't even know what's in here. Oh, yeah! Wow, look at how fire that looks. The bracelet, yellow, and the yellow. AO333, go Lakers. Okay, so, weirdly guys, I've gotten into sports. I went to one too many games just for the social scene and accidentally ended up a fan. Who knew? So gotta represent. So this is just an oversized vintage Lakers sweatshirt, and guess what this is? Another oversized Lakers sweatshirt. Sports, sexy hobby, and sexy wardrobe. P.S. If you guys have never shopped on The Real Real or Depop or eBay or Poshmark or any of my other favorite websites, they're all linked in the video description, as well as I have QR codes for you guys to scan if there's anything that you want to check out. I think Poshmark, if you're new, you get $10 off. I'm pretty sure same with Depop and same with The Real Real, but also on my Shop My, I have all of like my favorite resale picks of the week and all my favorite stuff. So basically anything that I'm not buying that's not my size, I'm putting on there if you guys want to check it out. So back to the haul. Dun, 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 dun. Look at this. This is what my nails come in handy for. Ooh, lots of stuff in here. Let's see. Oh, I'm so excited for this. Okay, we got this. Oh wow, there's so many things in here. We got this. Oh, and this. Hello. This is a very exciting box. Are you excited for it? Me too. Hi. All right, you know what? Let's start with this. So this is actually Valentino. You can see the back is cute. It has the little Valentino red bow. Just a plain little pretty red dress, but I have a vision for this. So right now it just looks like this, which I mean, is honestly really classy, but I mean, this isn't exactly the greatest DIY hemming job, but do you kind of see the vision? Oh, it's gonna be so cute. Dun, 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 dun. You guys don't even understand how much stuff I got from The Real Real. I got an outrageous amount, so let's, oh my God, I'm so excited. Oh, this is so cool. Look at this, archival Versace heels, vintage Baroque pattern. Got the Medusa head on there, these are crazy. Straight off the runway. Versace is the perfect amount of tacky and fabulous. As am I, Donatella Versace. All right guys, so freshly inspired by all my shopping. I'm gonna go shopping. I love shopping on my phone and eating chips. This is literally my favorite activity, so. I love this. Like these are cute. Sold. These chips are unbelievable, by the way. A brand new brand called Snackish. Y'all know I'm a vegetarian, so dairy-free, avocado oil, 8 grams of protein too. You hear that? Woo! The chips themselves do not like help me shop or get better deals or anything, but they do taste unbelievable. If you're gonna be addicted to something, it might as well be chips and shopping. So huge shout out to my friends over at Snackish for sponsoring this video. If you guys want to try them too, they're available at Target, Amazon. If you need me, I'll be here. Do we have some deliveries? George, thank you. Oh, George, what do we get? What do we get? I know, it's so exciting. Okay, let's see. Let's see what's in here. I love when stuff comes in cool paper. Oh yay! Oh yay, oh yay, oh yay. Oh my goodness, look at how fun these are. Wow. So these are like chic lady work clothes to me. These are vintage Chanel pumps that I quite frankly just thought were too cool to pass up. So unique and interesting and pretty much brand new. Oh, look at that. Whoever bought these must have got these on The Real Real. That's funny. This is the Real Real sticker, by the way. So anyways, good find, whoever you were. Half the fun of buying stuff used is that people get to wrap it themselves. So sometimes you end up with cool stuff like this. Like now I can have cherry tissue paper. How fun. All right, so this is from Poshmark. I don't know what this is. Let's find out. Oh my God, this haul is so cherry themed. Wait till you see this, you guys. Oh. Oh. Oh my God. Bruh. I actually can't believe this. This is like brand new pretty much. Look at this. Wow, even have the tags and everything. I've actually wanted this forever, but I didn't want to buy it new in the store because like, hello, I'm not paying that much money for this. But look at this. Cherry print Dolce & Gabbana like mesh top. So freaking cute. And I got this on Poshmark for like, basically for free, you guys. Like, look at that. You can see they're like corseted in the front, but it's like also stretchy. So it makes you look snatched, but it's still cozy. Look at that, now it's collect them all tissue paper day. All right, let's see what else we got. This also just came. Yay! Can you believe another pair new in the box? This is so exciting. Wow, phlegm, okay. Let's see what pair these are. I decided I want to collect the whole rainbow of Louboutins like this photo. This just was so inspiring to me. I was like, need. So I decided I'd start with patent white. These are cool because they're like a little seashell thing. Woohoo, like these are hot. Look at that. Oh, I love them. Woo. Obviously these are used, which is why they were such a good deal. However, check this out. I'm gonna show you a little life hack real quick. I do this for all my shoes. Here is my little DIY. This you can buy on Amazon. Walk on Red. This is the unofficial official paint that everyone uses to repair their Louboutins. You guys are on to my toaster right now. So, ta-da! It's literally just red paint. I use one of these. Just la 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 la. Just get that all on there. Okay, I guess I'm gonna time lapse this because it's getting boring. And voila, before, after. Pretty nice, eh? You'll know if there's one thing I know, it's shoes. So if you're looking for any heel hacks, this and all my other heel hacks are on my Amazon storefront. If you wanna check it out, please do. All right, let's see what's in here. I actually don't know what was in here. Oh, I remember. Guys, oh, hey, these are fire. These are little cap toe Chanel booties. You won't even believe, I got these for $200, mostly because, I mean, again, they have minor flaws on them, but literally, who cares? Oh, so cute. Went ahead and added some fur cuffs from Amazon to the top of them. And look at that, now they're fur booties. Do you like them? Are they your friend? Beep, 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 beep. Now I have the cutest little Chanel winter booties. Ooh, I stay loving a good DIY. Let's see, what the hell is in here? Oh, woohoo! You guys recognize this? This is the same Nick sweatshirt that Rachel has. I love New York TV fashion and winners. The Real comes in clutch again. Hello. So these are actually a kid's 7. I love to do this great life hack. Like these were literally $49 and fit me perfectly. Perfect for wandering around Italy. This is from Depop, I think. Dun, 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 dun. Oh! Have you ever seen me unbox pants ever? This is one of the last things on earth I would usually ever buy. However, if I'm gonna wear pants, they're gonna have rips like this. Do you guys remember this trend? Yep, I'm bringing it back. Oh yeah, bring it around town. This is crazy, so not me, but I wore these to the bar for the World Cup finals and they were a smash hit. Yeah, the World Cup, I know, I actually care about it. I went on one day to a World Cup game and after that became obsessed with football. I really am turning into one hell of a sports girly. Also on a completely random side note that has nothing to do with this video at all, have any of you guys tried Kalshi, the like sports predicting betting app thing? That shit is so fun. At the time of my life betting on that thing. I gotta be careful around that. Very addicted to it, but so fun. P.S. guys, this is not used, but these are the best little croppy tops in the world. I get an extra small. These are just from Amazon, but these are unbelievable. Perfect for jeans or whatever else you want to wear them with. I have this shirt and all my other favorite basic things linked on my Amazon storefront, which I actually recently just spent a lot of time making it really pretty. So if you guys want to check it out, it's there. All right, I'm pretty much running out of sunshine, so I'm gonna have to open things in the shade, but let's see. Ooh, okay, so this is from a brand called Guizio. You've probably seen it on TikTok and or anywhere. This is like a corsety shirt dress. I admit it doesn't really look that special on the hanger, but I have a vision for this. Look at how good this looks on. This part of the dress is like a corset, so super snatches your waist. Actually kind of looks like, you know, there's 2 layers, even though there's not. Such a steal. Oh, it looks like I'm floating. What happened to the lighting? Whoa! Ah! Okay, let's recalibrate this or whatever's going on here. There we go. Anyways, such a steal. Oh my God, guys, we are bringing it so back. This used to be my favorite dress in the whole world. I wore it into smithereens till I had to literally throw it away, but... So when I got suggested to me on Depop, I was like, shut up, I need this. Whoa, I love this dress in 2016 and I love it still in 2026. In fact, maybe I like it more. Bringing it back. Ooh, 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 ooh. So I got this in white, nude, and black. The black one didn't come yet, but big fan. And that's the story of how I also ended up with more meshki. This is just like a little black corset dress. Ooh la la, now it's that same white dress I was wearing earlier, but in black and white pretty much. Not bad for 20 bucks. Haha. I have 900 of these bags in my house. Okay, let's see what this is. Oh, Dolce & Gabbana skirt suits. Ta-da! So this is a cropped Dolce & Gabbana suit jacket. I also found a skirt separately, but look at that. Perfect match. The actual retail price of a Dolce & Gabbana suit would be like $5,000, but instead I got it for like $300. Honestly, I think that's my favorite thing about thrifting is you can find things that would otherwise be literally thousands of dollars and you can get them for cheap, and it's a like really nice high quality staple item that you're gonna have forever. Like now I don't need another black suit. Oh yeah, corporate America. I need a shirt under this, but again, something I would wear to the office. Again, why I would get fired. At 333, I approve wearing stuff like this to the office, but that's okay because there's only like 3 employees and one of them is me. Is everything I opened today from the Real? Honestly, probably most of it. Dolce & Gabbana denim capris. You guys might recognize this actually. I have the top and a skirt that matches this already, but this is the pant version. These were just such a steal, $186. I was like, I'm getting these. Like, look at that. Now I have the whole jumpsuit. Like I already had this top and look at this. I love matchy stuff. It's like Pokemon, you gotta collect them all. Woohoo! Big box just came. What is this? Oh yeah, the real. Oh, I'm crying. This might win the award for most random thing that I've purchased in a long time. Look at this. It's black feathery magnificence. Oh my God, it's gorgeous. Oh, it's like being a Barbie. I'm ready for the red carpet. I'm ready for Trader Joe's. Honestly, I have no idea where I'm gonna wear this, but maybe I'll just wear it on Instagram. The fact that I have no normal clothes, but I have this, really is my life in a nutshell. And that's all the stuff I thrifted this week. Actually, it was more like the last like 2.5, 3 weeks. But yeah, a bitch be shopping. Anyways, hope you guys enjoyed. If you guys want to shop like me too, everything's linked below. I love you so very much, and I'll see you next time. XO. All these new clothes, and I think this is what I'm gonna wear to dinner.